There's Hoover Dam, Nevada. Look at that. Nah. Wow. Look at that, Black. What is inside? Water? Oil?
Inside the dam,
Yeah.
generators
For
generate the
for-
electricity. That's what see all these. That's electricity coming out of inside the dam.
And then that
The water goes through and it turns the turbines, and they generate. They have big generators that generate the electricity and then pump it to Las
all
Vegas.
US.
No, you Las Vegas.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
No, this generates enough to run all of Las Vegas. All them lights and everything that you see,
Yeah.
that comes from here. That's what keeps them on. If it wasn't for this,
Yeah.
that could never happen.
Wow, look at that. Look, 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 look.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, you should be Cooper's first kid. No.
Send me your pictures.
Tag Sarah too.
Tag me, tag me.
So she can.
Yeah, see, we went down inside there.
Uh-huh.
Can't do it.
What is a rock? See,
That's a visitor center.
we are a visitor. Visitor.
You don't understand. You can't go in there. The terrorists ruined it for us, love.
Huh?
The terrorists. They ruined it for us.
Oh, look at this visitor.
The terrorists ruined it.
Why this half long?
I forget who they put it down for. The police, I think. The
The
police.
massacre? The shoot?
Or the black guy. I don't know. One of the two. Biden ordered it at half the staff.
Oh, it's pedestrian.
Huh?
We can go, it's pedestrian anytime.
You can't go in. It's locked.
Huh?
You can't go in there.
No, I mean the pedestrian. You can,
The what?
the pedestrian road.
Yeah, I was making sure they stopped.
Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Here, here, here.
You can't go right.
Look at that.
Come on.
Holy cow. Who's in here? Oh my god. They're moving. Take me a picture. Really? You take me a picture.
Yeah. When you're done.
Wow.
It's all yours. It's all yours. I'm leaving.
You're out of here?
I'm out of here. It's all yours. Go get some great shots.
Yeah, don't fall in, right?
Exactly.
Thank you.
It's always like the Darling. Wow, look at that. Just stay there.
Oh, I know.
I see. Wow.
All done.
Huh?
It's all done.
They're sleeping in my business. So that one is Arizona already there.
This is Arizona. From there all the way across.
It's no border?
Huh?
No border?
Usually the water's over the top of this here. This is the border. You see the sign up here.
Yeah.
It's up here.
Let's go over here, baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. Just the Nevada? You want that? That's where it's good. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, thank you. I don't think it's taking in much water.
Why not?
Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah, see, it's usually all the way up here. This is where the water comes in. On the Arizona side. Not now.
Hey.
I think that's it right there.
No.
Wow.
This is where the workers park. Does it say how many?
Usually today, President, for the visible with the naked eye.
Well, I called an complete circle showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year.
Here.
Oh. We're going to Arizona?
You said you wanted to go to the top up there.
Yes, sir.
Now you changed your mind again. You're like that bitch lady.
You're not allowed to say that.
Hope she's at the top. I'll push her off. How many people you think visit today?
1,000.
No, more than 1,000. I'd say
It's like go and the people come and the people go
I'd say 50,000.
every day.
Yeah.
Oh, over there, Dad.
Yeah, there's over 2,000 here right now.
Yeah. Now, welcome to Arizona.
we got to pay. I'm not going to pay. I'll turn around.
You say, oh my god, it's crazy. No charge, you say? No charge?
Hmm?
You say no charge.
Handicap's no charge. In there.
Wow, look at that.
There's Arizona.
So the American believe also that they have alien here, huh?
Alien visitors?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, of course they do. The Air Force has a place out in the desert. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Welcome to Arizona.
They have a place in the desert where there's alien stored.
What's that?
It's I forget what it's called. I'll tell you when we get home.
Spaceship?
They have a part of the spaceship. They have the aliens that they have the aliens.
Whoa.
They're deceased, but they have them. And Area 52, that's what it's called. It's called Area 52. And there was a group
Of alien?
of young people that wanted to I think this is it, isn't it?
No, it's still there.
Oh, it's still up? Area 52, there was a group that wanted to storm Area 52. It was like a radical group. They wanted to find out. They wanted to go inside. It's built in the desert. It's a vault. And they wanted to go in there, and the military told them, they said, if you show up on our property, we will arrest every one of you.
How can they arrest if they're alien?
And if you bring any firearms onto this property, because they were threatening to blow up the military. The military said, we will shoot you on sight. Because they know that there's aliens there. They're protected by the army.
Wow, look at this.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
You know, when it's earthquake, all
What
the
if
rocks.
that fell down, on top of us?
No.
It just starts shaking.
It's crazy. No, stop. Look at that. Wow.
I turn and back up and fly down the mountain.
Did I record?
Huh?
I record. I
Is this it?
I want more.
I can't go no more, love.
Why?
This is it, I think.
What is in there?
Hmm?
Road closed.
End of road work, it says. I think this is it. Oh, there's just a shack up there.
Look at that motorbike. They're a badass. All.
She looked like Penny. Didn't she?
Oh, you remember that?
Yeah, I seen them there.
You know what I mean, right?
Yes, I seen them.
What?
The coin
The
winding machine.
Arizona. going home. We're going home.
No, we're not going home.
Okay. Wow. Be careful.
You got your wallet and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Got my mobile. We're going to Arizona.
You think they found the gold here? Or digging this rock?
No.
Diamond?
Mm-mm. There's no diamond mines in the U.S. There isn't. South Africa is where diamond mines are.
Look at that bus.
Mm-mm. There's oil in America. A lot of oil.
There's America so high tech, huh?
I still taste blood. Do I look like it? Ah! Turn that
Look
on.
at that. Look at that. Sort of like red. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at these people. What is in there? Did you say that? Corvette
Lamborghini.
or Lamborghini? Sorry.
It's a rental car.
Wow. Oh my god. Look at that over there.
Just a police dog.
It's a K9.
Yeah.
Wow, that's too bad.
He's a bomb sniffer.
Arizona time now is 2 o'clock afternoon. So welcome to Nevada. Nevada. Can you see it?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Hold on. Welcome to the state of Nevada.
It's here. Oh, they're the same time?
Yes.
That's Nevada time, Nevada. That's the alien, would you say, right?
The protectors of our flag. Goodbye, Hoover Dam.
That's the... What's the name of that? The bridge? Arc. Huh?
It's Arc.
I don't know. That's what I'm
Arch?
asking. Yeah.
Yeah, of the bridge. The highway's up there.
Wow. Look at that. Slow down. Oh God, look at that. If that's an earthquake and they're dropped. Rolling.
This is all done with American people's money.
It's 12 months, no snow. They don't change the weather here.
No. I mean, it'll get cool in the desert. This is part of the desert country, so it'll get down into probably 40s.
But not like in Ohio.
No. There's some mountain areas over by Colorado that get.
Oh, they're welcome to Nevada.
Yeah, there you go.
Wait.
Hurry up! I can't wait.
Okay. So nobody live here in the desert, right?
I don't know. Oh, that's Lakeview Overlook. I don't want to go there.
Look at that. Pink
Huh?
color.
What?
The truck. Wow. earthquake here?
Huh?
No earthquake.
California has
Oh,
earthquakes.
see the cactus, so many cactus up.
I heard you say that before when we were coming down. But I never see them.
Oh yeah,
I think
a big one.
I think she's making this up as we go.
No, I'll show you some. So the native Indian live here.
They have their place, reservation in Nevada, I'm sure. There were so many different tribes.
See the cactus?
Nope.
Oh my god. Not cactus, it's a cacti.
Cacti, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. See over there? There's a cacti.
Oh,
A
yeah.
big one.
Yeah, I do see it.
Wow.
Yeah, that is it. Alright, I gotta see which way to go to Arizona.
Huh?
I gotta see which way to go to Arizona.
Okay. We're going to Arizona?
Lake Mead, Las Vegas.
Take me to Arizona.
I wanna go to Arizona.
Arizona. What is that? Lake Mead border.
Las Vegas, Kingman. We wanna go to Kingman.
Oh, then maybe we pass the bridge.
We might. This might be what we've been seeing.
Huh?
This might be what we saw over there. Very possible.
Slow down.
There's your packages coming from California.
You're late, UPS. Oh, maybe we can. Oh my.
Yeah, there it is. There's where we ate
Huh?
lunch. There you go.
Where?
Right there.
No.
That's not where we ate lunch.
But we crossed the bridge over there. We passed that bridge. The yeah. Maybe. Where's the bridge? No? No? Where?
Monday's the Grand Canyon tour.
Can you imagine that how hot this one we then wear shoe walking this rock,
Yeah.
no trees. There was like animals there like bear, wolves, or
Bighorn sheep.
huh?
Bighorn sheep.
What?
Yeah, wow.
Scorpion?
Yep. Rattlesnake.
Wow.
They're deadly.